E-commerce will hit $8.1 trillion by 2026. Wanna be a part of it? You do not need money, coding skills, or luck. Just a few minutes. I will show you how to start today and dodge the mistakes that crush most beginners. E-commerce simply means buying and selling products or services online. This can happen on websites, apps, social media, or online marketplaces. Examples include online shopping, digital payments, auctions, and even internet banking. Basically, if you have an internet connection, you can participate. For businesses, the goal of e-commerce is to drive sales using digital platforms and marketing strategies. It covers everything from running ads to processing payments securely. When it comes to building your own website, there are plenty of great tools to choose from. Some of the most popular options include Webflow, WordPress, Framer, Wix, Squarespace, and SpreadSimple. Each of these tools has its own pros and cons, and some take longer to learn than others. But what makes SpreadSimple stand out is how easy it is to use. Plus, it taps into the power of spreadsheets to keep things super simple and efficient. SpreadSimple is an amazing online e-commerce builder that makes it super easy to create and manage your own store. And the best part is, you do not need to know any coding. All you have to do is create product listings, update inventory, and set prices directly in Google Sheets. Once your sheet is ready, SpreadSimple instantly turns it into a fully functional online store. When building your e-commerce website, you must keep in mind that it should be user-friendly and fast. If customers find it difficult to navigate the web pages, they will most probably get irritated and leave without purchasing anything. Make sure that your website's design is responsive and it includes essential key features. First, you need an order form, allowing you to create fields for all the details your customers need to fill in. Next, item variations, so shoppers can easily browse different sizes, colors, or styles on one product page. Do not forget promo codes, which are a great way to offer discounts on specific products, product groups, or even shipping. Your store should also send email receipts automatically, giving customers confirmation right after checkout. Add filters and categories so buyers can quickly find exactly what they are looking for. Multiple payment options are a must too, including pay on delivery for more flexibility. And of course, provide different shipping options and rates depending on order size or location. Finally, make sure taxes and fees are calculated correctly and clearly displayed at checkout. And do not forget the legal aspects. Things like your return policy, terms of service, and other important pages like an About Us section and shipping terms. For these, static pages work perfectly. For a step-by-step guide on how to build your website, check out other SpreadSimple YouTube tutorials and help page. Many beginners make costly mistakes that drive customers away. In this part, we will cover 5 common e-commerce mistakes to avoid so your store can actually sell and grow. Competitor research. Many beginners skip competitor research and launch blind. Instead, look at what products they sell, their pricing, and how they market. Learn from them so you can position your store to stand out. Poor design. Your website is your first impression. If it is messy or outdated, visitors leave fast. Choose a clean, mobile-friendly template that matches your brand and is easy to navigate. Trust starts with a professional look. Weak customer support. Online shoppers want quick answers. Slow replies or no support can kill trust. Add live chat or fast email support and treat every question like a chance to win loyalty. Happy customers come back and bring friends. Complicated checkout. A long or confusing checkout process is one of the top reasons for abandoned carts. Keep it simple, ideally 3 clicks to purchase, and offer multiple payment options. Make it smooth, fast, and mobile-friendly. Skipping website maintenance. Launching your store isn't the end, it is just the start. Check your analytics, update products, fix broken links, and keep your site fast. A slow or outdated store loses customers and rankings. Think of it like keeping a physical shop clean and open for business. And there you have it. We covered what e-commerce is, how to easily build your store with no-code tools like SpreadSimple, the key features every online store should have, and the biggest mistakes to avoid. Remember, success in e-commerce comes from delivering a smooth shopping experience, staying up to date, and always thinking about your customer first. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments what kind of store you are planning to build. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!